didn't eat yet. Before I eat, I'm going to feed my cats. I feed them this. Two different kind, but I cut it half. This is the Fancy Feast. That. Hi guys, good morning again. Thank you to the 4 of you and to these people here. Thank you, Apple, Thomas, Rita, Zamora, Neil, Reedy, something like that. You can see it. Jonah Babe, that. Thank you. Merlita Quesada, Cheryl, and the rest, Aurora, and all of you guys. Thank you. And there is, there is more. Thank you guys. Thank you for subscribing. And making a smoothie for my husband to bring to work, guys. Yeah. I'm making dried fish, guys. It's gonna be a good lunch for me with salmon in it. Yep. Hi guys, I'm doing something. Let's see if I can do this, which is filming some weird thing here. So yeah, I'm here upstairs, and as you can see, look at my son just sleeping. Hubs! Hi, say hi to everyone. Say hi to everyone. Hi, people. Hi, I can smell you. I'm sniffing. Look, I can smell somebody else in here. I can smell my audience. I can smell my subscriber. Hello. 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 She's sniffing something. So, yeah. I really like this jacket, even it's so big. It's very red. The color that you see right now is different. This is red, like as in red, not like a little orangey red thing. It's different. So yeah, I'm gonna do something, and I'll see you later, guys. It's time to charge, you guys. You guys are lobat. No, it's not you. It's my cell phone's lobat. You know, I'll try to vlog using the camera that I have. Okay, I will charge you because you're already like 20 something. Yeah, it's low but so fast. So you guys, oh anyway, I just done waxing. I did wax armpits. I usually wax my armpits. You know, I always wax my armpits because you don't have any idea how my armpits looked like before. And now it's way different, but I can't show it to you because it's embarrassing. So anyway guys, bye. I'll see you later. I'll put you down here. Anyway, I just got my phone from upstairs, and I get rid of my eyeshadow. The cat scratched me, which is my fault. Can you feel something? This is good. You can tell the difference if it's good or not by touching it. By feeling the skin. You see the cat? Hubs. Very sweet. Surfing time. Laptop surfing, looking for something. Hi guys, we're just finished having our dinner, and I'm here in the couch again, sitting down, and I'm gonna lie down. I've been watching YouTube. I think I observed myself. I'm in internet than watching TV. But tonight, I'm going to watch the Walking Dead episode 1 of the season 5. I think season 5, right, guys? Season 5? Yeah, I think so. And that's 9 o'clock, channel 43, AMC. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm not really into like TV. If there's something, that the show that I really do like, I will go and look at. But I'm mostly in my laptop, which is a bad idea. That I'm always on my laptop, though. Always on the internet, YouTube, and that. So, anyway, guys, I'll see you later. And it's gonna be Walking Dead. Walking Dead. Do. Watching Walking Dead right now, guys. Oh my god. Oh, not good. Holy moly. I'll see you later again. Guys, my husband just got home.
It's not turkey, it's low salt chicken.
My husband just got home, and you know what? He brought something very special. No, I'm just kidding. He brought this flower thing. I'll show it to you. It's already, what time is it in your... It's 10 o'clock something, right? Yeah. So yeah, I'll show it to you guys. Now it's Walking Dead. They have a Talking Dead. Look how pretty is that? The big sunflower and roses and some of the flowers. So yeah, it's pretty. And he's bringing some of... what is this hand? Cold cuts?
What?
Cold cuts?
A cold cut?
This one is cold cuts?
Yeah.
Spoiled little kitten. This one is no salt. It's no salt. What else?
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast, no salt.
Fresh chicken breast.
Yeah, so that's what he been waiting. That's why he doesn't go to sleep, because he want to eat some of it. Every time that they get home, he go cray because there's always
Where's the little girl?
under the table food, huh?
Where's the dimple?
I don't know where's Dimples. Look at that. See, I'm done. I want more.
That's exactly what he's saying.
I want more, Daddy. I'm so
He's
hungry.
very quick.
Mommy doesn't feed me.
Very quick, kid. He said, well, this is different.
Look. Look, guys. Look.
Come on.
My God, it's so sweet.
And he didn't come and grab it. He just came on my lap and like...
Yeah, anyway, guys, you guys saying that some people doesn't like it because they think the cat is so spoiled and it's not good to go to the lap while the people are eating. But you know what?
He doesn't come on our lap while we're eating.
Yeah, he doesn't really go in the lap when we're eating.
He does that while I'm getting his stuff.
Yeah. But you know what? We love this little boy so much. The 2 cats we have. And this one is the sweetest cat. That's why we have like connection.
The hungriest cat.
Yeah, the pig cat. Honey, he think that there's more in there. That's why. And he want me to pull.
You're not gonna eat it. What am I, silly?
I don't eat cold cat.
Sometimes you do.
If you put it in the thing, in the sandwich, in the garbage. This bread, just leave this here because tomorrow I make a garlic bread with that. Okay? This refrigerator.
A couple pieces of chicken, a couple pieces of cheese, a couple pieces of salami, and roll them up. That was it.
This is not usually the bread that I really use for garlic bread, guys. Smells fresh, and it's very soft. Yeah, it's very soft, so that's good for garlic bread. As long as it's
It was
soft.
$3 for $1.
$3 for $1. Oh, that's nice, huh? You can buy more of that, and then I can make a lot of garlic bread. And look at this, guys. King of the North. Let's go with the flour. I don't know where my husband got it.
What's one book signing?
book signing for me.
The author was
He doesn't really bought that for me because he never really think buying flowers for me. He just took it from the meeting.
They offered
It's for free and it's nice flower.
They offered to me. Wow.
Yeah.
They actually didn't offer to me. He told me, why don't you take it home to your wife?
What?
See?
Why
told
did he
me that.
know? Oh, the people that you work with?
Yeah, the guy who books all these things.
What did he say? What did he say?
He goes, we got some flowers in there. He goes, why don't you take one home to your wife?
Why did?
I
Why
said, you
did?
sure? No problem? He goes, no. So I go in there and he tells the guy, he's going to take one. I goes, yeah, whatever you want.
Yeah, that's good at delay you.
Well, I'm the one who makes his events, though. Like, I'm the guy who's always there for these night events. Fred's not there.
This Walking Dead, guys, is just breathtaking. It's just crazy. Oh my God, it's just scary.
I gotta change the thing again.
Why again now? Because you see something different, nice.
No, I showed it to him. He just, can you make it say New York City Greek Film Festival instead of just New York Greek Film Festival?
New York City.
Yes, I said, yeah.
And then what else? That is he does all he want for changes.
Yeah. Well, I just
And he
showed
like it or no?
Yeah, he liked it. I just showed it to him.
It's nice to put nice color in the outer side because there's no color. It's all like black and white.
Yeah.
Like you put color in the outside, like a drawing, like something like in the outside thing.
I'm looking at crazy.
You can do that. You can find a background, huh?
Sometimes less is more.
Huh?
Sometimes less is more. Too much color, too much design, too much stuff.
It's so much dramatic.
It's gaudy, it doesn't look, it's not as
Real.
elegant. No,
Okay.
it's less elegant. And this is supposed to be like a high class event, so it's supposed to have more elegant to it.
Oh shit! That's why I've been thinking this afternoon. Like, there's something I have to do. There's something me and Tommy talk about. Oh, I need more of that. I so
I
like
said that
it
the
so
other day.
much. Yeah.
And you said, no.
Anyway, guys, I'm in YouTube right now. I've been watching this Philippine Dreams, this American and this Filipina,
Yeah,
that girlfriend. So I've been watching them.
I'll take some tomorrow before I go to...
Bye, guys. Huh?
Maybe before I go to Brooklyn.
No, you don't have to do it tomorrow.
I can't do it on Tuesday. Tuesday I'm working all day.
It's okay, hon. I can live without it, really.
I gotta go to the doctor to wash my anyway.
Okay. I go with you because we're going close to VS. Remember?
Yeah, we're not gonna have too much time to stop at night.
Okay.
It's 8:45, we gotta get grandma. We can go after grandma.
Okay. No, never mind then. Because you still have to go to Brooklyn.
Yeah, but I can get there a little late. I'm not on a schedule. Because I don't wanna miss taking grandma, because as it is, you guys have to take Cam home.
This is to be killed. This Walking Dead thing is a big thing. Big thing. I think. This is such a good show.
They even made it in the Comic Con.
Huh?
They even made it in Comic Con.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy shit. Anyway, guys, good night. And I'm just gonna spend talking to my baby. And now he's eating clementines. And good night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night, Han. Bye. Bye to them.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Tommy said bye, guys. Bye, guys. Good night.